Everybody, this is Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I've just got a quick demo for Beebeecraft. I'm going to dust the inside of these fractured heart molds with some chameleon mica powder. Alright, I'm going to set that up and I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to start with this Magnolia Sunset. And yes, I'm going to get all the way up on the sides. Okay. Okay, sorry I'm being so quiet. It's one of those. You gotta stick your tongue out right. Alright. Wow, that's so pretty. I'm going for that these fractured hearts should really, they already are, have a fantastic effect on these chameleon powders. Alright. I'll probably do one more on camera. Okay, that's that one. This one's the Snow White. Sorry. Knock all that out of my brush. Now, this brush isn't necessarily overly fluffy, so to speak. You'll hear it dusting across the bottom of this mold. That's the second one. I'm going to finish these up off camera and I'll be right back. Interference blue. Ocean Amethyst. Lilac Navy. Living Earth. Now, I realize a lot of these look exactly the same, but really and truly, they have quite a bit of difference. This one is a lot more violet. This one is a lot more green. Alright, last but not least, the Galaxy Purple. I always start on the edges, or I try to. Okay, not much to dust back this time. Alright. There they are. I'm going to fill them up with black resin. I'm going to do that off the camera. And then let them cure overnight. So I'll be back to demold them in the morning. Oh my gosh! Next to each other there. Alright, this one is the Magnolia Sunset. Coppery, fuchsia-y. Oh, so pretty. Alright. That one is the Magnolia Sunset. Alright. Y'all know I'm so partial to the green living earth. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. This one I believe is the interference blue. It's got a very barely hint of the purple or the navy. Oh, so pretty. Right. Okay, 3 left. Let's see. I'm just going to try taking them in order. Although, like I said, I don't know if this is the, this has got to be the Ocean's Amethyst. Oh, that is so pretty. Alright, I'm still questioning. Okay, no. This one is the Ocean's Amethyst. Oh, that is pretty. The blue, the purple. Oh, yeah. Okay, this one must be the Snow Queen. I'm thinking, I don't know. Or I could be completely wrong. No, this one's got the, This one's got... This one has to be the Ocean's Amethyst, alright? Got a kind of an oceany blue and an amethyst. Alright, let's call it that. This one is the Lilac Navy. We'll call it that. I don't know why this one is called Snow Queen. Oh, yeah, I definitely do. Okay. Instead of trying to move it. Yeah. There we go. So pretty. Thank you Thank you to Beebeecraft for sending me these fabulous molds. I will leave links down below to the molds, the coupon code. Thank y'all so much. Please like, share, and subscribe.